Students, online class. Sanjay sir is here to explain about state legislature. Presently, India consists of 29 states, territories. Each state has a state government and each union territory is looked after by the central government through a lieutenant governor or chief commissioner as an elected legislature which can be unique, means having one or bicameral, having two houses. The states which have a unicameral legislature have the legislative assembly called Vidhan Sabha, which corresponds the Lok Sabha at the center. The states which have a bicameral legislature have both legislative assembly and legislative council. So, in India, legislative bicameral legislature, the states are Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Telangana and Uttar Pradesh. The Legislative Council, which is called Vidhan Parishad, corresponds to the Rajya Sabha at the center. So, state, it is governor and legislature, that is legislative assembly, two houses, legislative assembly and legislative council. Then composition of the state legislature. Strength of the state legislature or the total number of members a state legislature has depends on the population of the state. The Uttar Pradesh has a high population and has more members in that legislature, that is 404 members. Sikkim has a small population and has 2 members, but in our Odisha has 147 members. Terms means Article 172 of the Constitution describes the terms qualification of the legislature. Now comparison state legislative assembly. The members of the state legislative assembly are generally elected by the people by a secret ballot for 5 years. It can be dissolved earlier by the state governor if the state ministry loses the confidence in the state legislative assembly. In legislative council, like the Rajya Sabha, the legislative council cannot be dissolved. Every 2 years, 1/3 of its members retire and are replaced by new members. The members of the houses are indirectly elected by the people of the state that is 1/3 of its members are elected by the state legislative assemblies, 1/3 by the local bodies like municipalities and Jilla Parishad, and the rest nominated by the governor. The members of the state legislative council elected by members of the legislature assembly from amongst persons who are not its member. Then qualification. The legislative assembly, you must citizen of India, must 20 list. Then criteria to become a member of the legislative council are the same as those needed for the members of the Rajya Sabha, that is citizen of India, 30 years of the age. Then sessions, at least twice a year, interval not more than 6 months per session. This is Odisha Legislative Assembly. Total seat Odisha 147, last election 2019, and leaders of the houses, that's Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik since 5 March 2000, Speaker Surya Narayan Patra, Deputy Speaker Rajnikant Singh. Then function of the state legislature. First function, makes law on subjects under state and concurrent list passed by both the houses. Secondly, budget passed by Vidhan Sabha, approved of Vidhan is a formality. Money bills introduced only in legislative assembly. Thirdly, exercise control over Chief Minister and Council of Ministers and question on. Thirdly, no confidence motion can force the ministry to resign with this. That means if a vote of no confidence is passed by the legislative assembly against the ministry has to resign. Then adjournment motion. It is discuss important matters. So state legislature has power to move an adjournment motion in order to discuss a matter requiring urgent attention of the government. Then sixthly, elects president and elected members of the Rajya Sabha. The state legislative assembly participates in the election process regarding the election of the president as well as the members of the Rajya Sabha.